Hey, good morning or good evening or good afternoon. Not sure where you're watching me from, but I just wanted to pop in with a very, very short message. And that short message will be preceded by why it popped into my head. You hear this? Yes, I'm frying yeah, I'm making some fries, which is all right, right? Every now and then, that's okay. I also made these, which are fantastic. They are veggie patties. But the reason why I'm here, hey, good morning or good afternoon, is because this sound, this sizzling sound, is like magic to me. I don't know if you know, but I'm suffering from tinnitus. I don't know how you're saying it, but that's the condition when you have a constant noise in your head. It can be different, it's different for everyone. It's a hissing, high pitched, metallic noise that I usually have, and this totally cancels it out. Let me knock on wood, which is awesome. So my point is that people always tell me that, oh, you're so happy, you're always so energetic, you're inspiring me, which I'm so grateful for if that's what I do. um, but they don't know that I'm not 100% okay all the time. I have a lot of migraines. I do have some joint pain, which, well, I mean, I'm still working out, so I guess that I should not be complaining about that. But this stuff in my head, sometimes it's very frustrating and it's really hard to focus. And it gives me a headache every now and then, and just very, makes you uneasy. But again, I'm working on my mindset and I'm trying to cancel it out as much as I can. And I'm just not willing to accept that this is it. I still hope that it will go away. It's been with me for 2 years, so I don't know if it will happen, but I'm trying to to just overcome it in a way. So, my point is that you don't know who is struggling with what. So, please stop envying other people. We do not know their story. We know part of their story. We know the story that they are willing to share with us, but we don't know everything. So be kind to everyone. Please don't judge. This is a time when people are super sensitive for a lot of reasons. But being at home and just having to adjust to a very new reality, which we really don't know what it's gonna be. We're just guessing. A lot of people have been struggling with that. So be very kind to everyone and to yourself too, because you know what, if you're not kind to yourself, you really can't be kind to anyone. I wish you a fantastic rest of the weekend, and I'm gonna talk to you soon. And yes, I know that I have to do that dance challenge. I think I'm gonna do it like maybe now in a minute. I'll find a song and I'm gonna do the challenge. You guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.